3D printers these days have never been easier to use. And that's fantastic. There's nothing wrong with that. It's an exciting time to be 3D printing, but there is one small problem with it. And if you're serious about 3D printing, you'll want to know what it is. So let me start off by saying there is absolutely nothing wrong with you taking a printer out of the box, firing it up, getting it set up, and start printing. I mean, that's what really 3D printing is all about, right? But the problem with that is you're not really learning everything. I'm going to use this Prusa Core One as an example. This is the kit. This is the one you have to assemble. It's not the one that you buy and is pretty much ready to go. And today I want to tell you why it's still important to maybe build at least one 3D printer. And when you build a printer, that's where things start to change. You're not just putting parts together anymore. You start to understand how motion actually works. Core XY, bed slingers, you learn the differences. How something as simple as belt tension can completely change your print. And this is where most people get it wrong. Because when you've never built one, these are just parts. But when you have, you know exactly what they do. You wire everything up, plug into a control board, and now you're not just using the machine. You're starting to understand what controls it. You go through setup, your calibration, and instead of guessing, you actually know what you're looking at. Belts, motors, hot ends, wiring, all of it work together. And that's when it stops feeling like a machine and actually starts making sense. This is where building a 3D printer really starts to pay off, because now it's not about just understanding how it works. It's about knowing what actually matters. Like even with the Core One that we built, I already printed new feet for it and added a couple of other small mods. And none of that is hard, but it's a lot easier when you actually understand what it is you're doing, because there are a lot of upgrades out there. They really are. They're everywhere. And this is where most people waste money. They see something online, looks like an upgrade, so they add it. When you've built a printer and you know exactly what those parts do, you know what problems they solve. And just as important, you know when something won't make a difference. And when you realize that, you stop throwing away money on useless mods, and you understand which mods actually are worth spending your money on. You learn all that from building a 3D printer. All right, so let's get back to our Prusa Core One. I kind of teased going through the building process of this printer. I want to tell you why I did that in the first place. I've never built a Prusa. This is the first one for me, and I have to say, instructions, everything were great. Kit was fantastic, had no issues whatsoever. So if you want to build a Prusa, this Core One kit is really good. Why do I have a Prusa? So let me tell you about that. Multicolor printing has taken off. I feel like the H2C is a fantastic printer. You have the U1 that I've covered as well. There are others on the market that are now starting to get into multi-tool head, multicolor options, and they are getting quicker. They're getting better. And one of those that I'm really interested in is that Bondtech Index setup, and Prusa is heavily involved in the development of that. They are going to have a kit that fits to this perfectly, and that is what I am looking forward to. So I figured, hey, let's buy the kit, let's build it, let's get familiar with the printer, and guess what? Just like I said earlier, now that we know what we're doing, we're going to be able to do that upgrade without any issues. So at the end of the day, it's really going to be up to you. Maybe you do want to grab that printer off the shelf, bring it home, pull it out of the box, and be printing in 15 minutes or so. That's fine. There's nothing wrong with that. But I'll say it one more time. You can learn so much about your printer, about 3D printing in general, if you build a printer. This Prusa kit is definitely a good option. There are others out there. You could build a boron. That community is fantastic as well. And you are going to learn everything you need to know to be better at 3D printing. So I highly recommend it. Like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Let me know what you guys have built, what kind of projects you have going on, anything you want to talk about. I love interacting with everyone, and hey, that's what this stuff's all about. So I'm Aaron, this is the Printosaurus, and I will see you guys in the next video. See ya.